3M adhesive vinyl is one of the classic pairings with a latex printer. We have an excellent warranty with the 3M cast vinyl. This here is not cast vinyl. This is a polymeric calendared vinyl. This is the 3M IJ40 matte. This is a fantastic product to print on a print and cut. It has excellent long-term durability outside. If you get the, depending on which version you get, you can have the classic 3M ability to load onto a product, usually the side of vans, the hoods, the doors. It won't have the conformability that you'll get in a cast vinyl like IJ180 or the 480 film, but this is still an excellent, excellent product. This is in many respects one of my go-to vinyls that I use on a print and cut printer. I run it on the 315 and the 335 all the time. It's exceedingly stable. When you're printing it on a print and cut, one of the other things I really like, it has a great liner. So when I'm using it in the cutter, and I have to roll forward and it cuts and then it rolls back again, then the cutter will forward to the next barcode and find the next job. This IJ140 is a great choice for that because the liner lays nice and flat into the catch bin, and then when it rolls back again, it doesn't buckle, it doesn't stand up, it doesn't get stiff. It's a flexible liner and it folds on itself very nicely. That's a big part of running fairly unattended with a print and cut, where I don't have to worry that the liner is going to kind of stick up on me. This IJ40 just folds beautifully, so when I'm doing longer cuts, especially off the end caps where I have it on a core, great product. 3M IJ40 is definitely one of my first choices for stability, image quality, ease of use, all of the hallmarks of a great calendared polymeric vinyl. Definitely a good choice. This is certified, of course. It always has been. It prints beautiful. You can download it right into the printer. And I ran this one on the 365 at 6-pass, actually. At 6-pass on the 365. So you can certainly put a little more heat on this than a monomeric vinyl. It's very durable. It can run fast. It has everything you're really looking for in a good indoor and outdoor durable 3M product. Highly recommended.